is up, you guys? It's your boy Murfact Nova back again with another video, and let me tell you, this one is wild. For the past 30 days, I've been living and breathing TikTok, but not just scrolling through dance challenges. No, sir. We're talking about those crazy money-making hacks that promise to make you rich overnight. We're talking invisible side hustles, AI money bots, you name it, I tried it. Some of it was straight up fake. But hold up, because one of these weird tricks actually worked. We're talking thousands of dollars rolling in, and I'm about to break it all down for you, step by step, so you can try it too. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for the most insane 30 days of my life trying out TikTok hacks. All right, let's get real for a second. You know those TikTok hacks that seem too good to be true? Yeah, well, most of them are. I'm talking about that make $500 an hour listening to music thing. Total bust. And don't even get me started on the turn your old t-shirts into $1 million business scheme. I spent days trying to flip those shirts, and guess what? Crickets. I'm talking hours wasted, materials wasted, and my hopes and dreams of easy money totally crushed. But hey, that's the name of the game, right? You gotta crack a few eggs to make an omelet. And let me tell you, after weeks of failing, I finally found the golden egg. This was the real deal, and I'm about to show you exactly how it went down. So, after weeks of searching, I stumbled across this video. It wasn't flashy, no Lambos or private jets, just this regular dude explaining how he made some side cash online. He called it microtasking, basically doing small online jobs for people. Sounded kind of boring, but I was desperate, so I decided to give it a shot. He mentioned this website, totally free to sign up, and had tons of little tasks you could do. Stuff like writing product descriptions, proofreading articles, even transcribing audio files. So I spent a weekend grinding on this site, knocking out tasks left and right. By Sunday night, I checked my earnings and my jaw hit the floor. I'd made over $500. Now, I know what you're thinking. $500 is cool and all, but what about that $10,000 you promised? Don't worry, we're getting there. See, once I knew this micro-tasking thing wasn't a scam, I got to thinking, what if instead of doing all the work myself, I found other people to do it for me? I mean, there were tons of tasks on this website. It was impossible to do them all myself. I created a simple website explaining the whole micro-tasking thing and offered to connect people with tasks for a small cut of their earnings. And guess what? That it blew up. People loved the idea of making money online in their free time, and I was suddenly the middleman, connecting workers with tasks and raking in the dough. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. This wasn't some overnight success story. It took hustle, it took dedication, and it definitely took a few all-nighters chugging coffee and responding to emails. But the results speak for themselves. In just 30 days, I went from broke and skeptical to making more money than I ever thought possible, all thanks to one little TikTok video and a whole lot of hard work. Anyone can do this. You don't need any special skills, just a willingness to learn and a good work ethic. So if you're tired of your dead-end job or just looking for a way to make some extra cash, I'm telling you, this could be your ticket. I'm even going to link the website I use down below, totally free to sign up. Now, before you run off and start clicking on every link in the description, let me give you a word of warning. Like I said, most of those TikTok hacks are scams. They prey on people who are desperate for a quick buck, and they'll promise you the world just to get you to click on their shady links. That's why it's so important to do your research. Don't believe everything you see online, and if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to legitimate websites, read reviews, and never ever give away your personal information to someone you don't trust. Remember, there's no such thing as easy money. Look, I get it. We all want to find that one secret trick, that one magic formula that will unlock unlimited wealth and happiness. But the truth is, there's no shortcut to success. TikTok can be a great source of entertainment, inspiration, and even information, but it's important to remember that it's also a platform where anyone can post anything. Don't let the flashy videos and the outlandish claims fool you. Real success takes time, effort, and a whole lot of perseverance. Alright guys, I've shown you the good, the bad, and the ugly side of TikTok hacks. Now it's your turn to get in on the action. For this week's challenge, I want you to go out there and find the craziest, most outrageous TikTok hack you can find. Once you've found your hack, film yourself trying it out and post it on your social media with the hashtag #MurFactNovaChallenge. I'll be checking out all your videos and giving shout-outs to the best ones. So get out there, get creative, and let's see what you got. This isn't just about making money, it's about taking control of your life. It's about proving that you don't need a fancy degree or a trust fund to succeed. All you need is a little bit of hustle, a lot of heart, and the willingness to put in the work. So join the movement, guys. Let's show the world that anyone can achieve their dreams, no matter where they come from or what their background is. Remember, this is just the beginning. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks. But as long as you keep moving forward, you will eventually reach your destination. So don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to experiment. And most importantly, don't be afraid to dream big. Because the only thing more satisfying than achieving your dreams is knowing that you did it your way. So what crazy adventures await Mr. Factnova? Will he conquer the world of real estate investing? Will he master the art of affiliate marketing? Or will he finally reveal the secret to going viral on TikTok? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be one wild ride. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. And hey, if you have any crazy challenges or money-making schemes you want me to try, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, peace out. So there you have it, guys. 30 days of testing TikTok hacks, some epic fails, and one life-changing win. Who knew that a random video could lead to making $10,000 in a month, right? Remember, the internet is full of opportunities. You just got to know where to look and avoid the scams. Want access to the exact micro-tasking platform that made me bank? Check the link in my bio. It's your turn to try this out. And hey, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you want to see me tackle more crazy challenges. Hit that subscribe button and join the MR Factnova crew for more mind-blowing hacks and insane adventures. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Want the free tool I used? Link in bio. And hey, if you're not subscribed, you're missing out on life-changing hacks.